guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to try a little experiment. I have two of these Click and Grow like indoor herb garden setups and I'm tired of buying the little pods for them. They work phenomenally. I just think I can grow my own seeds since I have a ton with just some dirt in there. Now, I will say I've never done this before. The pods that are made for it are great. I have grown red hot chili peppers, I've grown cherry tomatoes, I have grown herbs, I've grown lavender, all kinds of things, and they have never disappointed. But I just want to try something since I have so many seeds of my own. I want to see if it'll work without a little pod and just some seed starting mix and some seeds. So let's try it. Here are the 4 herbs I'm going to try and grow in my 2 setups here. So we have garlic, chives, basil, parsley, and cilantro. So I'm going to start off by taking out each individual cup. Now, normally the grow pod goes right in here. You stick the cover back on and put a humidity dome over it. Once it sprouts, this will start growing, tall. But I'm not sure this lid is going to be very good for us because I'm not putting the seeds directly in the middle. So let's fill each of our cups with some seed starting mix. Like that. Okay, we have all of our cups filled with dirt and I'm just going to poke a hole in the middle with my dibber tool here for our seeds. All right, up first we're going to do some cilantro because I can never get enough of this stuff. I'm going to put 2 seeds in each hole. Bruno is highly upset about this. And then we'll just cover it over. There we go. Up next, we'll do some basil in the middle 3. Again, probably just a couple seeds per hole. And cover. And in our last 3 here, we'll just do some Italian large leaf parsley. Cover those over. And then we will fill the tank here until the floater is at the top, meaning it is full, and these should start germinating within a couple of days. Okay, our floater is now at the top, and each cup has a wick that draws moisture up into the soil, so that's kind of how it waters itself. You don't want to overfill this because then it will saturate your soil and rot your seeds or, cause a bunch of mold. So I'm going to go ahead and I wasn't going to put these on, but I think I'm going to just to kind of prevent mold growth on the top. And then we'll stick our humidity domes right on top just to help those seeds germinate even faster. Now we're going to do the same thing on this one over here. But in this one, we are going to plant some garlic chives. So I'm actually going to poke a few little holes just to have a bunch in each cup. Now, this one actually comes with extensions so that as your seedlings grow, you can pull the light up, add an extension, and it gets taller. The other one that I just planted in does not. It has one height, so this one's a little different. Alrighty, here we go with just a seed or 2 in each hole, making sure to then cover them so that they can start germinating. Again, we'll fill the tank until the floater's at the top. Okay, our floater's at the top. We'll re-add these covers. And our humidity domes. So these should take just probably a week or so to germinate. Okay, it has been probably a week and a half. And as you can see, all of these except one have sprouted. The other container up on top of my microwave that we planted chives in hasn't done anything yet, but chives are slower to germinate than the herbs we put down here, which was cilantro, parsley, and basil. So I'm going to take the humidity domes off now because the leaves are touching the top of these domes and we don't want to let them mold or suffocate them. So this one looks like it didn't grow, so we'll just replant some seeds in there. But now they have nice, space to grow. They'll get light and we'll have a little herb garden. Okay, it has been a couple more days now since I removed the humidity domes. And as you can see, all of my seedlings are really starting to grow. They are kind of starting to get their true leaves and they're just living their best life. So I think this experiment was a success. I will buy the pods that go along with this because they are made to work, and I've grown peppers and tomatoes and really awesome things in this. But I think this was a nice, cheap way to do some herbs indoors. I've tried indoor herbs before and they just don't do well because I'm not consistent with watering them, and they just need a lot of sun inside your house. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.